Hello, welcome to Swahili Kingdom. And today we are going to learn 10 Swahili sentences that natives use every day. When you use this sentence, you are going to sound like a native. And you need to use this sentence every day because you will encounter them here or there. So you either need to use them or to be hearing them properly. So let's start. The first one, samahani. Samahani. Saizi nina kazi kidogo, naweza kupigia baada ya, then you put the time. Samahani, sasa hivi nina kazi nyingi kidogo, naweza kukupigia baada ya, then you put the time. That is sorry, but can I call you after this time? Sorry, but would I call you or can I call you at this time? Maybe someone is calling you, but you are busy at the moment, but you don't want to sound rude. You want them to know that you needed and you wanted to talk to them. But what you are doing, maybe you are in a meeting or something. So just tell them, samahani, ninaweza kupigia baada ya, okay? Naweza kupigia baada ya dakika 5. Naweza kupigia baada ya lisali moja. Or naweza kupigia baada ya saa moja. Okay, someone will know, yeah, he or she will call me. So they can say yes. You will sound polite and you will sound like a native. Another one. Sina uhakika nimekuelewa vizuri. Or sina uhakika nimekusikia vizuri. Unaweza kurudia tafadhali. Sina uhakika, you can add kama if you want. Sina uhakika kama nimekuelewa vizuri. Or just say, sina uhakika nimekuelewa vizuri. Or sina uhakika nimekusikia vizuri. Unaweza kurudia tafadhali. I'm not sure if I caught you correctly or if I heard you clearly. Could you repeat, please? Okay. This one is one of the best because most of the time you won't be hearing the exact thing that someone is talking about, especially a native, or maybe you might not understand. So this is a perfect chance, a perfect sentence for you to tell them to repeat politely. Okay, tell them politely. Don't just tell someone, unaweza kurudia tafadhali. Yes, that is nice. But when you tell someone you had not understood, sidhani kama nimekuelewa, I don't think I had understood. They will know, yeah, she wanted to understand us, so let me repeat it for them. A native. Yeah. Another one. Asante kwa kuuliza, lakini sidhani kama nitatoboa. This one is very native, especially the word kutoboa. Kutoboa actually means to make it. Asante, lakini sidhani kama nitatoboa. Thank you, but I don't think if I'll make it. This one most of the time is used, especially when someone is inviting you somewhere and you don't know what to tell them. Maybe you might make it or you might not make it. So that's why I use sidhani. So someone will know, oh, this person is polite and you are speaking like a native. You are not telling them, hapana, sitakuja. No. Yeah, you see? Tell them, asante, lakini sidhani kama nitatoboa. Use the word toboa and you will see how people will be like, huh? How did you know that word? That's because I follow Swahili Kingdom. That's your answer. Another one. Shikamoo, naweza kukusaidia na kitu. A greeting, then naweza kukusaidia na kitu. You can say hujambo. Shikamoo, waendeleaje, naweza kukusaidia na kitu. Hi, hello, can I help you with something? When you see someone has a lot of things to do, you want to help them but you don't know how to get in and tell them. Maybe you want to help them, so you can go by you can start by greeting them. Hujambo, Ninaweza kusaidia na kitu. Can I help you with something, or can I help you somewhere here? And someone will be very glad. Oh, I got someone who can help. Because of course most of the time, people will not just come to you and tell them, nisaidie. No, it will be more appreciated if you go to them and tell them, hujambo, ninaweza kukusaidia tafadhali, or ninaweza kukusaidia na kitu. Ninaweza kusaidia tafadhali. Can I help you please? Oh that melts my heart. That melts my heart. Ninaweza kusaidia tafadhali. Take off your tone, okay? Shikamoo. Hapa kunaendeleaje? Vitu vinaendeleaje hapa? So this is a question. This is one kind of question that you ask when you want to know about something that is going on. Maybe you have gone to a party and you found some people, but there is something that is going on somewhere. People are around talking about something, and maybe you want to speak or talk or something. So you can go there and just ask one person, hujambo. Just be polite. Hujambo. Ni nini kinaendelea hapa? Kunaendelea nini? What's going on here? Okay? So that is that one statement can open up a conversation with someone if you want to talk with someone. Okay? A native. Huh? People will be shocked when you use these sentences. Another one. This one is especially when you go somewhere and you don't know what to do next. Or when you are somewhere and you don't know what to do exactly, what to do next, you can ask them, samahani, unaweza kuwa unajua kitu cha kufanya hapa. Samahani, unaweza kuwa unajua kitu cha kufanya hapa. Excuse me, would you happen to know what to do here? Samahani, unaweza kuwa unajua kitu cha kufanya hapa. Maybe you went somewhere, you are just there, you don't know what to do. You can ask someone, okay? Unaweza kuwa unajua kitu cha kufanya hapa. Start by samahani, so that because you know you are a stranger maybe to someone that you don't know, and that person doesn't know you. So to ease them, or to make them at least feel comfortable a bit, start with samahani. Someone will know, oh, that dude, that girl, that woman, that lady, that boy is polite. Samahani, unaweza kuwa unajua kitu cha kufanya hapa. Natural. Perfect. Another one. This one is especially when you have just met with someone, you felt happy, you had a chit chat, and you can tell them, oh, imekuwa furaha yangu kukutana nawe. Natumai tutakutana tena wiki zijazo au siku zijazo, majuma yajayo. Natumai tutakutana tena. So this one is simply, oh, it was my pleasure meeting you. I hope we can meet in few weeks, few months. Okay, so when you say that one, you just sound like natural. You sound natural. You sound like a native. Especially when you say, natumai tunaweza kukutana. And don't say it as if you are afraid or maybe you are tense. Natumai tunaweza kukutana. No, just say, natumai tunaweza kukutana wiki zijazo, majuma yajayo, miezi ijayo, ni furaha yangu kukutana nawe. So wiki zijazo, coming weeks, majuma yajayo, juma is also a week. Majuma yajayo, coming weeks, miezi ijayo, coming months, miaka ijayo. So just, yeah, native, natural. Don't speak as if you are afraid. I know that is one of the factors that people who are learning a new language have. Even me, sometimes you speak, you are afraid or something. But just tell them. Tunaweza kukutana wiki ijayo au majuma yajayo. Hujui, hatujui. Ni Mungu tu anajua. Corny. Okay. Another one. This one especially is when you have a lot of work and a friend is inviting you out. Maybe a friend has just texted you, mambo Koni, leo tunaweza enda kukwea mlima Kilimanjaro. Leo tunaweza enda kukwea mlima Kilimanjaro. And you're like, ningependa kukwea mlima Kilimanjaro, lakini nimeshikika kazini. Nimeshikika is native. Maybe you might not find it in books. But when you tell someone, nimeshikika, they will know you have a lot of things to do. Instead of telling them, nina vitu vingi vya kufanya kazini, tell them, nimeshikika kazini. Tuonane siku nyingine. So, ningependa sana kuja, lakini samahani, nimeshikika sana kazini, tuonane tena siku nyingine. Kwaheri. Wow! You are declining the offer, but you are declining it with a reason and politely. Wow. A native. Oh my God. These sentences. Another thing, when you find someone stranded somewhere and you would like to offer your help, specifically to something that you can see they need help on, you can tell them, samahani kaka, samahani dada, samahani, ninaweza kusaidia kitu. Ninaweza kusaidia kitu chochote haswa. When you use haswa, it means specifically. So, samahani, ninaweza kusaidia kitu chochote haswa. Sorry, can I help you with something specifically? Yes, please. Nisaidie tafadhali. Asante sana kwa kutazama video hii. Natumai umepata jambo moja au mambo mawili ambayo umetoka nayo hapa. Tuonane tena katika video nyingine. Hakikisha umesubscribe na jaribu kuambia rafiki zako pia waweze kujiunga kwenye Swahili Kingdom ili wajifunze maneno mapya kama wewe. Utatoboa. Kwaheri.